If you have been looking for legit ways to make money online, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be taking you through 4 online typing jobs that you can actually get started from today with little or no experience required. And the beautiful thing is, I'm going to take you to the website, hold you by hand, and show you through on how you can get started immediately. So grab a pen and your jotting note. Let's get started. Hey guys, Alice here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm all about creative, smart ways that will make you money every single day. And without wasting much of your time, let's dive in.
Next up, we have transcriptionforeveryone.com. Go to Google and type transcriptionforeveryone.com. Click on the very first link and it's going to take you to this interface. Guys, I'm in love with this website because they have quite a number of jobs that are available. They have jobs like video transcription, digital transcription, DVD transcription, court transcription, medical transcription, online transcription, voice transcription, business transcription, and a lot more transcription jobs. To get started, all you need to do is to sign up with your CV or resume, fill in the required details and submit your application. And if you meet their requirement, they will definitely get back to you via email and you will become a transcriber on this site. First off, we have GoTranscript.com. Go to Google and type GoTranscript.com. Click on the first link and it's going to take you to this interface. GoTranscript is a well-known platform for transcription jobs. As the name implies, you will literally be typing to earn. They offer flexible hours and you can choose the project you decide to work on. They post available jobs from time to time. You can earn $1.2 to $1.58 per minute. Approximately, you'll be earning $25 to $30 per hour. For audio transcription, you can earn up to $8.8 to $11.8 per minute. Approximately, you'll be earning up to $500 per hour. To get started, click on these 2 ellipse lines. Navigate your way to company and click on it. Then click on career. Keep scrolling down. You are going to see open options. Here you will see all the available jobs that you can actually start doing and start earning money. Just take your time, check for the job that you know you can do, sign up and start doing the job immediately.
If you have watched this video to this extent, it means it's value for your time. Please consider smashing the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content just like this.
Next up, we have Modcom.com. Go to Google and type Modcom.com. Click on the very first link and it's going to bring you to this interface. Modcom hire remote workers to handle content moderation. You may ask, what is content moderation? This is typically a job where you make sure that everything people post online is appropriate for viewers. You know that at times people might post mean things or insulting things online. It is your job to flag up these comments so that they can be taken down. You will also make sure that the content people post are authentic and not spammy. You can also be managing posts in a forum. You can also offer customer service support. The earning potential is between $10 to $15 per hour. If you want to sign up, you see where they wrote join the mod. Click on apply now. All you need to do is to fill up your CV or resume with your personal details. And the support system will reach out to you and you will get onboarded. It's as simple as that. Next up, we have wingassistant.com. Go to Google and type wingassistant.com. Click on the first link and it's going to take you to this interface. All you need to do on this website is for you to be other people's virtual assistant. Meaning your job is to help business owners take care of tasks like typing emails, data entry, and transcription. The beautiful thing I love about Wing Assistant is that they merge you with clients and handle the logistics. So your major focus is on the work. Depends on the kind of clients and the workload that you have. You can make tons of thousands of dollars from these sites per month. To get started, click on these 3 ellipse lines. Click on resources. Scroll down and navigate your way to career. Click on it. As you can see here, it says join the top 1% of remote workers and build your career today. So just keep scrolling down. You are going to see start your application. You see Philippines, India, Mexico, US and rest of the world. What this rest of the world means, it means anybody from any part of the world can actually apply and get onboarded. There's a lot of positions that are available like sales call, executive assistant, healthcare venture assistant, medical scribe, real estate code caller. There are a whole lot of positions that are available here. So just do well and explore the site and start applying as soon as possible. Next up, we have audiobee.com. Go to Google, type audiobee.com, click on the first link and it's going to bring you to this interface. Audiobee has over 3,000 jobs that you can apply for. And the beautiful part is you can work from anywhere in the world. Audiobee has different jobs that you can actually do on the website. You can apply to become a freelancer immediately after sign up. As you can see, there are a lot of jobs you can do on this website from anywhere in the world and any time of your choice. Audiobee provides training for you to take. You can do audio transcription, you can also do segmentation, you can do voice recording and you can also do translation. All you will do to get onboarded is that you sign up. After signing up, they are going to assess you. After assessing, you are going to go through some few training, then start working, and the most important thing, you are going to be getting paid for the work you are going to be doing on this platform.
If you are still here, I would like to know which of the websites you'll be trying. Please let me know down in the comment section. So here you have it, guys. 4 typing jobs that you can actually get started today. Always remember that I'm rooting for you. Do not forget to always root for yourself. The next video that is showing up on your screen right now is actually a step-by-step guide on how you can make money online, the laziest way ever. Click on it and I will see you in the other side.